Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to choose the best perks in COD Warzone Mobile. In COD Warzone Mobile, perks plays a crucial role in enhancing your gameplay. Let's dive into the three primary perk packages available in the game. First is Deadeye perk package. Aggressive players. If you prefer an offensive strategy, this package is for you. When it comes to benefits, it has a versatile weapons configuration, enhanced situational awareness, improved combat readiness, and ability to anticipate enemy actions. Number 2. Scout perk package. Balanced approach. Ideal for those who want a mixed aggression and caution. When it comes to advantages, it is effective in long-range engagement. And stealth capabilities for strategic positioning. It also enhances survivability and ability to maintain a low profile while taking out opponents. Number 3. Support perk package. Team-oriented players. It is perfect for squad engagements. When it comes to key benefits, it boosts defensive capabilities, sustain prolonged fights, improves team survivability, and provides utility in holding objects and covering squad mates. And that's how to choose the best perks in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.